Rolf is not amused, you... How do you say? Ducks?
All that hard work.
Robot bounty hunter.
You're crazy?
Chickens! Not to mention a duck.
Huh?
What? Who?
Huh?
Ed.
Hey!
Do not fool Rolf! Everybody now!
Get it on! Hey, Rolf! Loser! Did you kiss your mother with that mouth?
I was born to be wild, but the cage was too small.
Holy mackerel!
What? And ruin all this frustration? I ain't touching that.
我々キャントのすぐのすぐのものは